Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by isolating the machine, disconnect the network so the redirect can't phone home. Once unplugged, make a system restore point and backup essential files to an external drive. This preserves recovery options. Next, open Task Manager and look for unknown or resource-hungry processes. End those tasks now. Make sure to record process names. Then launch an elevated command prompt to prepare for deeper cleanup. These initial actions prevent reinfection and give you rollback safety. Once done with basic containment, reboot into safe mode with networking and run a full scan with a trusted anti-malware tool. Let it quarantine or remove threats. Meanwhile, open each browser. Uninstall unknown extensions, clear cache, and perform a full reset so search defaults return to normal. Then check system settings, examine the host's file, proxy settings, and DNS entries, plus scheduled tasks. Remove unauthorized changes. These actions eliminate hidden persistence and restore normal name resolution and browser behavior. Finish by rebooting the computer normally and verifying your preferred search engine and homepage are restored. Also check browser shortcuts for altered targets. Run a second full scan to catch remnants, then monitor behavior for 24 to 48 hours to ensure the redirect does not return. If redirects persist, suspect router-level compromise. Log into your router, update firmware, change admin passwords, and perform a factory reset if necessary. One troubleshooting tip: boot a clean USB rescue environment to scan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.